Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to open and set up InShot for the first time. So if you're looking to create amazing videos and photos directly from your iPhone, InShot is one of the best apps you can start with. InShot is a powerful yet beginner friendly video and photo editor that gives you everything you need to make professional looking content, right from trimming and merging clips to adding music, text, stickers and filters. Whether you want to create content from any of the other socials or just personal memories, InShot makes it easy to transform your raw footage into polished video in just few taps. So first, tap on this InShot app icon on your phone. You'll see the home screen with the option like video, photo and collage. From here you can start editing right away. And also InShot will may ask for the permission to access to your photo camera or microphone to save and edit videos and images. If you want to record directly in the app and to record audio or the voiceovers and tap allow when prompted, this ensures the app works fully. And now you can explore to this home screen, your video, photo or collage. You can now start, you can tap on the video to choose a clip and start editing. Tools available: trim, split or merge. And over here, and with this step you're fully set up to start using InShot on your iPhone. You can now create videos and photos immediately. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.